You searched how to buy shares of Compass Digital Acquisition, and this short guide will show the basics. Compass Digital Acquisition operates in the digital technology sector and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CDAQF. This walkthrough is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with a photo ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the broker platform search box and type the ticker CDAQF to find Compass Digital Acquisition. Select the result that shows the NASDAQ listing to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see a short company profile and a price chart that tracks recent trading. Double-check the company name, NASDAQ exchange, and ticker CDAQF to confirm it is the right listing. To invest, click Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you want to commit and choose any order options. Then, carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market or limit order. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same steps on that platform.